I got another project right here from IAA. I buy fast. It was a good price. Couldn't resist it, so hopefully this is the damage right here. Looks like the control arms, the suspension, and the fender right here. So it's not really as bad as it looks. So for the price that I paid for it, it's not bad. So it looks like a little, hopefully nothing messed up on the bottom. That's my guy right there, Roberto. He'll hook you up on the toe. Looks like a couple of things are dented in, so we'll find out. Hopefully nothing's messed up with the engine, nothing's cracked. 50-50, we'll see. The interior is clean. The interior is real nice. Is this tough, huh? Looks like somebody smoking inside. It smells like cigarettes. Oh, look. Oh, you good? Okay. Ooh. The plastic part is coming off. Professional right there. Look at it. Look how he does it. Put emergency brake on, and he's slowly gonna drop it down, so that way he doesn't damage the front. So he's gonna have to just drive up in the front. It's just the plastic. It's just the plastic. This plastic coming off. That's it.
Let me just.
It's touching the ground, huh? Yeah, because it's like going down, huh? Yeah. Do you? Oh, okay. Oh, because of the rims, right? Okay. Hopefully the engine is not damaged, so very tight squeeze. Professional right here. Damn. Been doing it too long, huh? Too long. That's good. No problem. It looks different from the picture. That's why.
Yeah.
It looks different. It was looking different. So, hopefully it didn't touch the transmission or anything. Got a little dent right there, but ain't not too bad. Just this tire right here, see how it's moving? It's really. See, finally got it. you go. Alright, I'll check it out with you guys in a minute with it. Oh, so the parts that I'm gonna need is gonna be the radiator, the fan, the AC condenser. I already got the bumper, the fender. What else? The steering wheel. That's definitely a must. And both airbags from the foot and then the steering wheel column. I saw one on eBay that comes with the airbag and the actual steering wheel column. So I'm gonna get both of those. So the car, you know, I ended up getting a car in real good price. I'll talk more about it in the next videos, explaining you exactly how much it cost for the whole build. You know, how much I got the car for, and how much money I put in, and how much profit I'll make out of it. This is actually one of the lowest miles that I ever bought on a vehicle. And I never bought a Mitsubishi, but the deal was so good that I couldn't pass out. But one advice that is, this car is very rare. There's not a lot of them in the junkyard, and the parts are very expensive. So before buying this car, you have to make sure that you found out the parts and know where you're gonna get it. For me, I read what needed to be done and kind of right off the site on the pictures off site, and I kind of like, for the price, either way, in parts I would have made my money back. So I just went ahead and bought it and just see what I was working with. So God bless me with it. So we'll see what we can do with it. Like I said, I'll save the rest for the next video. I detailed the inside, but obviously the lighting is not really good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning it up inside, detailing. I don't want to do too much detailing because obviously the car will get painted. So the whole side right here is gonna paint this whole side of the vehicle, and then blend in everything back to the hood, the fender, and the bumper. So that way everything will look real nice, and we're gonna buff the inside, the outside, and then that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do to. I'm gonna minimize as much money that I want to spend on it. Show you that yes, you can get a good deal even though it's salvage title. But if you're looking for something to take you point A to point B with the low gas mileage, it's a V4. This is a perfect candidate. So it's not a fancy car, but hey, it'll take me somewhere. So I hope you guys enjoy my channels, and if you like more content I'm gonna be bringing with you, please comment on there if you want certain things I need to change or I need to adjust, because you know I'm new to this YouTube and I would like to improve my camera skills and lighting. So you guys out there who already have the experience with the cameras and video shooting, please comment down below and leave me a comment and jeez, I went blank, but it's all right, cool. You get what I'm saying. So I'll see you to the next video. Shout out to JDTV, and that's it. Have a blessed day. I ran out of ideas. Sometimes it happens.